Hey guys, welcome to today's video. Today I have some products from this brand. I'm not 100% on how to say it. It's like Uoma, I'm gonna say Uoma Beauty, Uoma? I'm gonna say Uoma Beauty, which might be wrong, but anyways, I have some new products from this brand from their Coming to America collection. And I thought it was super cool that they did a Coming to America themed collection. Coming to America, if you're not familiar, it's a movie that came out in like the 80s, I think. It's been a long time since I've seen it, but I know that it's about like an African prince who comes to America looking for a wife or something like that. But it's an Eddie Murphy movie, so we stan. I really quickly just wanted to do a shout out to their foundation. I've had this foundation for a while. It's like a medium coverage, soft matte foundation, super duper lightweight on the skin and wears beautifully. I'm not wearing it today because I'm trying out a different foundation, but I got this at Ulta and it's a really good foundation. So that's the only product that I have from them prior to getting these two new products from their new collection. I want to start with the eyeshadow palette. I thought it was kind of interesting that they came out with 3 eyeshadow palettes for this collection. There were 2 9 pans and then one, I think this is 10 pans maybe? Oh, this is nifty. It's like a little, oh, okay. I guess you could open it here, but it also has just open it there too. So anyways, but this is their Black Magic color palette. Look at the artwork on the front of this. Isn't that stunning? Uoma Beauty is a Black-owned makeup brand, by the way, so we live. 10 pans, really nifty little insert right there. This packaging feels very, very nice. Oh, it's got your definition of Royal Heir, like heir to the whatever, heir to the throne. Royal Heir-itage, when the big bucks start rolling in. And then down on the bottom of the mirror, it says, don't mess with money. I'm gonna guess that's from the movie. I really don't know. It's been a long time since I've seen that movie. But here's the palette. Ah! Isn't it so pretty? It is stunning. The other two, the little 9 pans, were like pretty colorful. And I almost wanted to get one of those guys, but I decided to get this one instead. I felt like I would get more use out of this one just because it has some more neutral tones, kind of pinky mauve, you know, all the stuff that I love. So we, of course, are going to need to swatch this right here, right now. Oh my gosh, these shimmers. Oh, look at that. Ooh! This one's called I-L-E space I-F-E. Oh my goodness, that is gorgeous. This one is called Kush. Oh my goodness, these shimmers are beautiful and very, very soft. This one's called Mali or Molly, M-A-L-I. Whoa, I think I'm gonna need to use this one today. Oh, that's so pretty. This one's called Axum. Oh, that is very pretty as well. Wow. I don't know why, but it never, like, I'm never not amazed by a beautiful shimmery eyeshadow shades. For as many as I have seen in my life, I still like, amazing. It's incredible. I can't believe it. But dang, that's pretty. So then this one is called Songhai, S-O-N-G-H-A-I. Ooh, that is very pretty. Wow. These shimmers are gorgeous, aren't they? Okay, now we're getting into the mattes of the palette. This one is called Abyssinia. I don't know if I'm saying that right. Wow, that swatched beautifully. This one's called Sokoto, S-O-K-O-T-O. That one swatched beautifully as well. And this one is called Jolof, J-O-L-F. That one swatched beautifully as well. Okay. This one is called Dahomey, D-A-H-O-M-E-Y. And this one, wow, that's beautiful, is called Ashanti. Oh, that is gorgeous. Look at this, y'all. Oh, I love this color story. I love these colors. The shimmers are so shimmery, and these mattes are so matte. Oh, I was gonna turn my light down. Okay, so that you can get a better look at these swatches here. A little less light. Isn't that gorgeous? These shimmers are so reflective. Some of them have glitter in them. This is gonna be fun. I don't know what I want to use. There's so much good stuff in here. I'm gonna start with Dahomey. Dahomey. I'm probably butchering every single one of these words. I just know it, but that's the one I'm gonna start with. We're gonna do like a transition moment. It's gonna be stunning if I can find the brush I want. Okay. Wish me luck. Very, very nice. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna use some of this shade Sokoto. Oh, I'm so good at words, you guys. So good. That is beautiful. Okay, this is going very well so far. I will say they're very pigmented shadows, so you just want to be careful not to go in with too much on your brush. Like, make sure you get it really hit off, because I kind of did that over here. I just got a little lazy when I tapped off the excess, and I was like, let's just go for it. And so I feel like I got more concentration of color on my right side, but I like the way it looks over here, so I don't want to, I don't know, whatever. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to use the deep purple shade or this deeper kind of red brown. I'm leaning more in this direction just because, I don't know, you know, purples are tricky. They can be tricky, so I just don't know if I'm like ready to settle in and get into a full purpley blended eyeshadow moment today. I think I might use some of that purple on the lower lash line, but for deepening up my crease right now, I think I'm going to go with the brow towel. All right, so I'm gonna go into Ashanti. Okay, I got a little carried away with that Ashanti shade. It's very deep and very pigmented, so I definitely went in with the wrong brush. I used this kind of dense, fluffy brush, and I ended up making kind of a mess. Also, I decided for some reason that I was gonna try to shape my eye differently with my eyeshadow. Like, I literally made that decision in the moment as I was going to apply my eyeshadow. Why I decided to do that all of a sudden with a new eyeshadow palette, I have no idea. But anyways, the point being that it took me some effort, and the takeaway is just that they're very pigmented shadows. So keep that in mind. They're not as goof proof, but they do blend very, very well. So there you go. Okay, I kind of want to do the purple. Okay, I'm actually, I'm gonna just continue, I'm just gonna continue to experiment for some reason, but I'm gonna take the Abyssina, the purple matte, and I'm gonna try and put some of it like on my outer corner and kind of blend it into the other mattes maybe? I don't know, we're just gonna, I'm scared. I'm scared. But I'm running out of time. I need to just finish this look. So why am I trying something different? I'm gonna go for it. We're just gonna hope for the best. I am just so grateful that these blend pretty well because I am so off my game today. Okay, that purple matte is really pretty. The key with these shadows is to just not overdo it, not use too much, which is a mistake that I have been repeatedly making since I started. I would like blend, 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 and I'd like, okay, next time I dip in, don't get too much. And what do? I just like, so I feel like I created my own problems, but I don't think it looks that bad. So I think it's fine. I'm trying to decide if I want to use like this one or this one. I think I'm going to do a little bit of both actually. I'm going to start with the Eyeliner, this one over here in the top corner. I want this to go on my inner corner, so I am absolutely not going to be using my finger, because I always make a mess when I do that. So you're going to come and get on this brush whether you like it or not. I need the precision of a brush, especially when I'm going into my inner corner. I'm getting a little bit of fallout from this one, but really not that bad. And now I'm gonna go into the pinker shade Mali. I think it's Mali? M-A-L-I. Leave your corrections for my pronunciation of everything in the comments, please and thank you. The texture of these shimmers are like really nifty. They're very, very soft. Fallout with this one, Mali, whatever. Oh, that is beautiful, isn't it? What? What have I created? Oh my gosh, I love that. I love it. Isn't that pretty? Girl, my eyelids look like a freaking disco ball. I am gooped. This is so pretty. But oh my goodness, girl. Lots of fallout. Oh my gosh. Next time I use this palette, I am going to do my eyeshadow first because I now have glitter all over my face. But wow, I'm loving it so far. Let me finish up. I'll be right back. Okay, so there's the look. I'm struggle bussing today, especially with my lashes, and I have glitter all over my face. I feel like my whole face is just fully glitterified. But we have one more product from Uoma. So I also picked up one of the lip products from this new collection. I'm not totally sure what to expect with this one. The description of it, it's like a lip shine or something. Like fancy chapstick was kind of what I was getting from the description, but let's take a look at it. So from the Coming to America, beautiful packaging, Black Magic Hypnotic Impact. Isn't that what the palette was called? Black Magic color palette? Okay, work. Anyways, Black Magic Hypnotic Impact High Shine lipstick. I got the shade Not So Meeka. It's kind of a deep shade. I don't know if it's really gonna go with this look, but we'll find out. Here it is. Very cute little sleek packaging. Oh. Now that's red. Let's take a swatch, shall we? Ooh, okay. It looks very red, but then you swatch it and it looks kind of cranberry-like. Let's give it a go. Let's try it out. I've decided recently though, I'll be honest, that I don't like bullet lipsticks. I'm just a liquid lipstick kind of gal, but we'll give this one a go. Ooh! Very pretty, very shiny. It was a little bit tricky to apply, but honestly, that's just the whole, hold on. But honestly, that's just the whole bullet lipstick element of it. I just don't care for bullet lipsticks. This is so pretty though. Very, very pretty. Not what I would have picked out for this look. Probably if I had stuck to like the brown shadows in this palette, this might have worked out a little bit better, but I'm just a little pink and purple today. But that's okay because it's really pretty. and it feels really nice. This is very comfortable, very shiny, very smooth, silky on the lips. Fancy chapstick, maybe not that fair of a description for it, but I just knew that it was gonna be kind of somewhat sheer color and like a shiny, balmy kind of formula. And it definitely is more opaque than I was expecting, but not fully opaque. Probably with this one, I'll need to do my eyeshadow before I do my base because I just feel like I have glitter everywhere. But I mean, gosh, this look, so pretty, isn't it? I feel like it just really turned out beautifully. I kind of love the gradient that I did over my eye. So I'm loving it. I think that the shadows are very pigmented, but they blend. These shimmers are very glittery, but they're so pretty and so vibrant, and I'm loving it. I'm loving it. So let me know what you guys think about the Coming to America collection from Uoma Beauty. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video, okay? Okay, bye.